CryptoBiz. Crypto was in full swing at Collision Conference, June the 17th to the 23rd. Despite the bear market in Bitcoin and altcoins, the industry's builders continued to build for a brighter future. Newsletter for all the gloom and doom in the cryptocurrency market these days. Our industry continues to make inroads into mainstream tech. This week, I had the pleasure of attending the sold-out Collision Conference in Toronto, and crypto was featured prominently. During the event, I got to moderate 3 panels, including 2 that were crypto-focused. The fact that the biggest tech conference in North America is letting me talk cryptocurrency after a 6-month bloodbath proves there's more to the industry than just price. And, I'm not saying the price isn't important, but context is everything. This week's CryptoBiz gives you a taste of Collision Conference 2022 and also draws your attention to the latest funding and business news from the world of blockchain. Institutions are exploring the space. KPMG Canada Crypto Team. During Collision, I sat down with KPMG Canada's crypto team to talk about the firm's recent foray into digital assets. If you recall, I got really excited in February when the KPMG Canada announced it had added Bitcoin, BTC, and Ether, ETH, to its corporate treasury. The firm's decision to adopt digital assets didn't come on a whim. It was directed by an internal governance council that did its due diligence before recommending crypto treasuries. The Canadian arm of the Big Four accounting firm remains bullish. Follow the URL for the full article. For more on this story, visit the news article link.